Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay. In this video, I will take you about my tasks and errands draw selfies. Okay. First is my desk needs to be cleaned. Every day I need to study, so I would have to be cleaning my desk, my computer, my box, my pens, among others. That will I have my rank here. Okay. The second is my house needs cleaned, but I should have time. I am a docile girl. I always do what my mother tells me. As long as I have time, I could do it. For that reason, I must be sweeping every day in my house. Okay, is three. I am good at accumulating laundry. I could have little clothes to wash, but the truth is that I studied and worked, so on weekends I have a lot of clothes accumulated to be washed. Okay. Four is I should have my clothes folded, but it's a lot big fold. After washing the clothes and also arrange them, I will have to fold all my clothes. Is a lot of work for me. It is a little that like to do arts and duty. Okay. This conclusion is there are tasks and errands that I do constantly that sometimes tire me, put me in a moody because I will also have to take in time studying, and there is little left for me to do the studied tasks and even free time. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Bye.